Teacher Aya Online Tutor. Hello children! Today we are going to read another set of phrases. Are you ready children? Let's start. In the house. Again. In the house. Your turn to read, children. In the library. Again. In the library. Your turn to read, children. In the car. Again. In the car. Your turn to read, children. On the table. Again. On the table. Your turn to read, children. On the road. Again. On the road. Your turn to read, children. Under the tree. Again. Under the tree. Your turn to read, children. Under the sea. Again. Under the sea. Your turn to read, children. Over the fence. Again. Over the fence. Your turn to read, children. Over the moon. Again. Over the moon. Your turn to read, children. Early in the morning. Again. Early in the morning. Your turn to read, children. Go to school. Again. Go to school. Your turn to read, children. Eat the fruits. Again. Eat the fruits. Your turn to read, children. Drink the milk. Again. Drink the milk. Your turn to read, children. In the garden. Again. In the garden. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now, let's try to read the phrases together. Are you ready? Let's start. In the house. In the library. In the car. On the table. On the road. Under the tree. Under the sea. Over the fence. Over the moon. Early in the morning. Go to school. Eat the fruits. Drink the milk. In the garden. Great job, children! Remember to always practice reading so you could be a good and a fast reader. Also, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button for you to be updated in every new lessons. You can also share this video to your friends and classmates. Thank you for listening, children. See you on our next lesson.